So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here these 3 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic love. So this video will be about God's love for man. So ensure to stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, Paul taught the Romans that while they were yet enemies of God, they were reconciled to him by the A, suffering of Jesus Christ, B, resurrection of Jesus Christ, C, death of Jesus Christ, D, ascension of Jesus Christ. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. That's death of Jesus Christ. So that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next question, guys. So the next question we have here is question number 2. It says, God's love for man is considered to have started from the A, covenant with Abraham and his descendants, B, creation of the world, C, new commandment of Christ, D, act of sending Jesus to die for the redemption of mankind. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, creation of the world, and that's it for this question. So let's check out the next and last question, guys. So we have here question number 3 of 3. It says, divine love in Christianity is primarily expressed through A, church attendance, B, the 10 commandments, C, rituals and ceremonies, D, God's grace and mercy. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. That's God's grace and mercy. And that's it for this question. So this is where we end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we're sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examination. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.